Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. As always, today's video I am doing my daughter's room reveal. I am super excited. This is like the theme I've been wanting for my daughter before I even knew I was having one. This is something I've seen on Pinterest for years and years. It's been saved in my Pinterest board for years and years, and I am super excited that it all came together. This room was done on under $300 budget. Yes, under $300. Yes, that includes the crib and everything else that you see inside of her room. And I am super blessed that I was able to do this on such a great budget. And the whole point of this channel is to show you guys how to make things look good, how to look good on a budget, because who doesn't love saving money, right? So if you like what you see in this video, please hit that thumbs up, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay notified when I upload a new video. I am on a Wednesday schedule of uploading videos. I will also throw in a bonus video throughout some weeks too, so make sure you guys are a part of the TJI family so you don't miss anything. And before we get into today's video, I would love to welcome all of my new subscribers. I am super excited for each and every one of you for being a part of the TJI family. This channel is all about deals, decor, DIYs, fashion, everything that's like basically on a budget, honey. This is the channel for you, and I'm so excited that you are here taking the time out to see what I am showing you guys. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So guys, like I was saying, this video is all about my daughter's room on a budget. I will also be breaking down some of the items in her room and telling you exactly where I purchased it from and how much it was. So I'm really excited for you guys to be able to purchase or do these DIYs yourself. So let's start with this area where I purchased that bookshelf for only $15 from Target. This hair bow holder is a pasta hanging tool that I got from Target's Dollar Spot. It was only $3, so I just used it for a hair bow holder, and it works really well for some of her display bows. I'm really happy how it turned out. As well as this stand here is from Michael's. I just recently purchased it. They're having like a big 70% off sale. So this was only $5, and I just placed the Juicy Couture necklace that you guys saw from my Ross haul. That was only 99 cents for the complete set. It came with earrings and everything for only $1. So I was really excited about putting that one there. It looks really cute. Here's a cute little piggy bank that a lady at my church gave my daughter. Really cute, and I've had that for ever since I was pregnant. So yeah, I love that little elephant with her little pennies and stuff in there. That's her little jewelry box. The little heart box right here is a jewelry box that I got from Dollar Tree, as well as this frame with her and her brother when she was like, I would say she just turned like 1 in that picture. So that's in there. And these are so handy. They are these the sequin little containers from Dollar Tree. They do not have these anymore. I wish they would get them back because they are super cute, and they change. You can change the color from, here it is, from gold to silver, so either one works in her room. I have some more bowls in there. She has bowls everywhere, guys. I have some of her pull-ups in there. The rest are like in her closet. I just have her one lotion in here. My daughter likes to get into things, so I have that put up in the closet, and that one's empty. I'm still trying to, you know, move things around. So here is the shelving that I got from Five Below. They have the 18-inch shelves for $5. They come in white and black, so I just recently picked that one up. And then I have one of her favorite books, Dream Big Little One. I love this book. One of my girlfriends gave this to Nella for her first birthday, and I got that from I think it was Joann's or Michael's, I don't remember. I got this around her baby shower time. So yeah, this picture you guys probably remember from my recent Burlington Coat Factory haul. It was only, I think it was like $11. I know it was $14.99 with 25% off. So whatever that might be, God is within her, she will not fall. Psalms 46:5. So yeah, they had some really great deals and pictures. So I decided to, I know in the video I was like, I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I absolutely love how it turned out, so I'm glad I did put it in her. So here's her a little dress up station. I have more stuff, but I don't want to junk this area up, and I don't want to junk her room up. Trying to keep it as like calm as possible. But here's her little slippers and her little fun boots. She loves those pink cowboy boots there. She loves those. I just put some cute little dresses. She called them her JoJo dresses, and some bows, as well as this mirror that I picked up from Gabe's. It was only $6.99 and it has the hooks on there, so I thought that was really cute. Oh, and these dots I picked up from, oh my gosh, one of the stores that reopened. I would say it was Marshall's. I want to say Marshall's, but I'm not sure. But it was $4. I don't know if it was from like Burlington or Marshall's. I'm not sure, but they were on clearance for only $4. So I definitely had to grab that. And this shelving, of course, is from Five Below for $5. And Sophie's Big Noisy Day Book. Guys, I love the store Ollie's. They have the cutest books for super cheap. This book was only like $2.99, and I get a lot of my children's books from there, because for the most they'll be like $4.99, and that's for like the really big tedious books. But little things like this is usually like $2.99 or under, or even like $1. So go check out your local Ollie's if you have one. They have such a great book section for not only children but for adults. They have everything. I picked up this little stuffed animal, super cute, from Babies R Us. You guys believe that? Babies R Us, before it shut down. I had my daughter right around the time that they were closing, so I was able to get a couple things. I think it was like $5. I can't remember, but I know it was super cheap, so I definitely had to grab that. Okay, so down here I got this bucket from the storage bin. It's really cute and it's quite large, from Five Below for $5. This blanket, I have this blanket like everywhere. I have one in the bedroom, living room, and I got them from Gabe's. I think they were like $7, and they were quite large. And I just used this bin for like some extra blankets. And her infamous pink crib that we've been debating on painting for the longest, but I just decided to keep it pink because we'll be getting her toddler bed soon, so there's no need to really paint it. So I think that's really cute. And I just, you know, I like to keep the bed as simple as possible because she sleeps in here. There's just a plain pillow and a sequin pillow that I got from Dollar Tree as well. And this blanket, I absolutely love this. If you follow me on my Instagram, you've already seen this. I can't remember if this is from QVC or HSN, but I'm going to put the link. Hopefully it's still available because it was on sale for like $11 in the descriptions below. But I absolutely love this blanket. It's huge, and yeah, definitely a great buy. And I purchased, you guys saw that big tall vase from Ross for $5, and I just put the Dollar Tree florals in there. They have the long huge flowers at Dollar Tree. I don't know if you guys have them at yours, but they have them, and I thought that was such a great deal because they are other places for much more. I purchased this cute little rug from, where did I get this from? I got this from Gabe's. It was, I would say $10, $7.99 or $9.99. Just something that she can like sit on if she wants to, or something soft for her feet. And this is where she likes to read her books. I love this ottoman. You guys remember it from my Ross haul, and it has like all of her toys and stuff in here. Definitely a great space saver. And the ottoman was $10, $10.99 from Ross. And then she has this super huge soft like fur type blanket that I purchased from, I think, the Goodwill. They had a collaboration with Target, so they had a whole Target section, and you know, everything was new with tags, and this was $8 because I got it on the 50% off day. And yeah, everything was new with tags from Target. Actually, there's a Target right next to the one I went to, and yeah, so they had like a whole Target section, and I picked it up for only $8, as well as another pillow from Dollar Tree. Now here comes the fun part. You guys probably saw these items from previous decor videos, but I brought them over here in her room, and I love, it's like a gallery wall, super cute. And these are all from Dollar Tree. They are from the Halloween department. They had like skulls and stuff like on the inside, so I popped all of that out the middle and just left the frames, and I spray painted the frames, and they are so cute on the wall. Super lightweight and super cute, and I thought this would be cute for like a cute gallery wall. So I got these flowers from Joann's. They were the bunch for $2.99. I remember that sale because the lady wanted my flowers. I remember that. And we had this vase. My husband, you know, got me flowers one day, and it came in this pretty vase. So I wanted to put it in my daughter's room, because this is like the only room that's not, her and my son's room are the only rooms that are not like in that farmhouse feel. And this is from Target dollar spot as well. It was $3. This is from like a few years ago. And this dresser is from Amazon. It's the rose gold dresser that I've been talking about on my Insta stories. This is super cute, and the drawers are pretty like steep. She has so much in here. Yeah, she can fit a lot of clothes in here. Like this release has like 20 pairs of her pants and shirts in here already, and then it comes with 4 different drawers. So definitely a great buy, and this was, I would say, like $59. Yeah, so I thought it was a great buy. It was super easy to put together, and like I said, I'm going to link everything below, so if you're interested in it, you can have it as well. Let's move over here. This is from the wallpaper. It's not even wallpaper. These are stickers, and they are from Amazon. They were $17 for the whole thing. Well, this whole part was $17, and then this side was $17, so under $35 for this. Was super inexpensive, and it looks amazing in her room. Like, I absolutely love this. Is exactly how I wanted it. And last but not least, this chandelier that you guys know I made from all Dollar Tree items. Super cute, except the crystals, they're from Joann's. They were like $1, so I just picked them up. They were on sale, and the flowers are from Joann's. They were $1 too. And yeah, this is made out of the garden planterns. Yeah, so I thought they were really cute. I'm going to do another DIY for the chandelier because I want to do one for the outdoors. So I'm really excited about that. Yeah. So I absolutely love how this all turned out. I was going to put like a shelving on the wall between the flowers, but because the chandelier is so centered in between the flowers, I just thought this would be cute and minimal for that area right here. I absolutely love her room. This is going to be the theme no matter where we go. I'm going to pick this room up and place it exactly the same no matter where we go next. So This is really cute. This is like my dream baby girl room until she decides where she wants to, you know, what her theme would be next. And this is going to be the theme for a while. So I absolutely love this. And this was done, I would say, no more than $300 altogether, and that includes the crib because I got it new on Facebook Marketplace. A lady, she purchased 2 of them, so she just sold this one to me for $40. Yeah, so this was a super cheap $300 or less, guys, room decor. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm so blessed that I was able to do this for my daughter. I've been wanting to do something like this for a very long time, and like I said, I always want to show you how you can do things on a budget. You do not have to spend a ton of money to make things look pretty and magazine ready in your home or wherever. So this is the whole point of my channel, just to show you who loves saving money that you can save money and still make things look good. So if you enjoyed what you saw, please hit that thumbs up, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload my next video. And until next time, bye guys.